Hello, welcome to the weekend vlog. All electrical has been done, as you can see. Ooh, there we go. So they're all done. We're gonna run down now and go buy some stuff so we can get the rest of the cabinets put in, and then so we can get this cabinet in. So now this thing is not installed. We got this part done too. So ignore the ugliness behind the thing, but I can't talk today. So we got that one moved over to there. So now we can move our stove at some point, but this whole thing will come out and be gone. So yep, here we go.
Do you think 4 foot or 6 foot?
For the range, I would think 4 feet.
This sound sealed plus.
And which one is? Which one is that one? Do they have that one here?
I don't know. No, there's sound seal, which is the middle one.
What's?
Sound seal.
That's the same one as that one, right? That's the sound seal, not the sound seal plus. What are these? There's a dishwasher connector, like right up over here,
Here?
or right there.
4 feet long.
Yeah, 4 feet long. Not gonna work for us. What's this one over here? I think they're skinnier, so that would be a washing machine. Good morning. It is now Saturday. Rudy and I getting ready to head out to go get some stuff from a different town because we weren't able to get everything we needed. So we're like heading out. Oh, I was like, what are we getting? I forgot what we're getting. We had to get, I know one thing is we want like the little push button thing to go inside for the garbage disposal, so like you can push the little button instead of having a switch, because we didn't do a switch because we were going to have an extra hole in the sink, so that way we can just push that. And then I don't know what else we needed. I don't know. I guess you guys will find out as we go shopping. Yeah. That's XP, and then right, but then the other ones is more like. So we have all the uppers up, as you guys saw. We were getting ready to put, why are you always giving me those weird left night vlog? We were getting ready to put in the corner cabinet. We have to actually go down. We're going down right now to go buy our, also the countertop. But we're getting ready to put in the corner cabinet and realize that it's actually not fully all the way against the wall. And so we have to go buy things to make like little fake cleats, like fake studs, so that we had something to screw into the wall. So we're gonna buy 2 sections of our the countertop, just because we don't want to store it somewhere, and then we'll get the rest the next time we go back at some point. So here we go. Decorative stone. Good morning. It is Sunday, and right now I'm making some coffee, but today's plan is to hopefully get, we made the cleats last night that go into the back of that cabinet there. So we're gonna get those put in, and then we're going to leave, I think after we get that done, right? Is that what we're gonna go to Sutherland's? Okay, so yeah, so then we'll go to Walmart and Sutherland's because we gotta go grocery shopping first and buy microwave food, I guess, or something. I don't know, something to eat. So we have food. So we'll put that in and then go there. Then we also have to go to Sutherland's, which is a hardware store, if you guys didn't know that. And this cabinet, this countertop kind of hangs down really low. So like this one here doesn't have a drawer, but if it did have a drawer, it would open. Like that one there comes down so low that the thing doesn't open. So apparently you're supposed to get these strips that go in there that raise your countertop up, because not all countertops are made the same, apparently. And so we gotta go pick up those today at the hardware store, and then hopefully get this countertop installed and the sink, so we can call and have the plumbers come back and finish doing the rest. So that's our goal for today, I think. I think that's everything. After some painstaking stuff, we got those in. So now we'll need to go to the store. We'll have to go shopping like fast too. I guess we'll go to Sutherland's first, because if we need to get frozen foods. So, but these are all in. These drawers were a lot of fun to get in, but I can't open it right now because this cabinet's in the way. But whoops, I'm running into stuff too. So, but we got them all in. I like it. It looks really nice. So, oh, that's what I was getting to. So now we gotta go to the store to get furring strips, and, well, we need a new level, because you guys haven't heard, but broke our level in half yesterday. And it like just fell over and it was like, and it just broke. So we'll have to buy a new level, I guess, too. And there's something else. Oh, we need to get more 2x4s, because we have one cleat left over. And ignore the nasty stove. We have that, so we can get this other corner done. That's another one we want to get. We want to try to get all of the counters done, actually, but at the least, sink has to be in, and we would like that corner to be in, and to get this countertop all the way going. also gonna go ahead and buy the rest of the countertop too, so. Alright, so we got a lot of it done. As you can see, the countertops are in. We did have one little issue here where we can't get this thing to line up properly. So we're going to have to mess with that another time or just live with it. I don't know. Sink's in now. Love it. So now we're just getting some better lighting. Now we're just getting all the stuff cleaned up. We weren't going to hook up the sink just yet because we're going to have the plumbers come back and do it all. So, because they have to fix the drain pipe anyways. So, we're going to have them do all that. But that's it for this vlog. So I hope you guys what you saw. If you did, subscribe, like, comment, follow me on social media listed down below. Until next time, don't forget to always be you. Bye.